All right, first just identify yourself for me, please. Yes, can I have your name and...
I'm Ralston Smith, Managing Director of the Transport Authority.
Can you tell me the purpose of this store with the main this morning?
Well, the purpose of this tour this morning is to identify and work out parking solutions for the public passenger transport operators. The KCMC,
Downtown or across?
Downtown, primarily for this particular one. So the KCMC, the Transport Authority, of course, the JUTC, the Ministry of Energy Science, Energy, Telecommunications and Transport, persons from the Health Authority is also here because we're looking at some of the facilities as well. And it's very important for us to have organized and structured parking arrangement for the public passenger transport operators because the idea, the intention is to ensure that we provide decent facilities for not just the bus and taxi operators, but also for the commuters. So we are in the process now of transitioning some 11 routes into route taxi type routes. These are routes that were previously serviced by JUTC, and the JUTC has agreed with the Transport Authority, of course with the blessings of the Minister, to allow some taxi operators to provide services along the route. If you would have seen a number of the hackney carriage operators, their mode of operation mimics that of a stage carriage type. And insofar as they operate along a line of route, take 4 passengers and they collect separate fares. And that's a feature of a stage carriage. And that license is really a route taxi type license. And the operators, through their various representatives, have approached the Minister's Steering Committee, Public Transport Operator Steering Committee, and make representation for the transition. So we're in the final phase now. We're in the final phase of tying down the parking areas for these taxi operators, and the Transport Authority will in short order announce to the public in full the routes that will be available and the process that the operators will be engaging in terms of the transition. So it's a very useful exercise this morning to look at the parking situation and to ensure that we create a semblance of order and orderliness in downtown Kingston.
11 routes, can you rename those 11 routes?
A number of routes. I don't have all of them offhand. I know that Papine to downtown, Crossroads to downtown, Vineyard Town, and so Gregory Park.
No, Duane Park.
Duane Park, and also there's consideration for some other routes, talking about Gregory Park among some others. So a number of routes.
One proposal that maybe I would have put to the Pitchon Street transport center, have taxi operators.
Well, it's important to have the taxi operator, like I said, operate from a structured, organized, regulated facility. It speaks to the decency of the service, and it's important for the commuters to know exactly where they can go and board a public transport. And also in that facility to have proper bathroom infrastructure for the commuting public as well as the operating public. And as you would have seen from just a look at the bathroom facility here, you recognize that it's in tip-top condition and something that the public would like.
Of course, you're welcome back. Let's move to the Pitchon Street Transport Center.
Yes, most definitely. So it's part of the expansion in looking at what is available to us in terms of real estate and how we can transform those real estate into proper, structured, organized, either taxi park or transport centers.